Hey guys, it's Jared Cook. I'm here today at the Perry Company in Waco, Texas, and what we're going to take a look at is the P50 by John Deere. This mini excavator has been a big hit in the market, and so we've gone ahead and designed some product. I want to shout out to United Ag in Waco for allowing us to borrow this unit to finalize our test fitting and do this demo video for you guys. And so what we're going to be showing you today is an upper and lower piece of 1/2-inch dual-sided scratch resistant monolithic polycarbonate. Let's take a closer look inside. All right guys, now we're on the interior of the unit here, and first and foremost I want to look at this this bottom pane, right? This is 1/2-inch dual-sided scratch resistant monolithic polycarbonate. This is a piece that you can replace without replacing the upper. If you just happen to knock one of these kick windows out and need a replacement, this fits with all your OEM trim, just like this entire design. And so really happy with this piece, really easy to replace. It simply just presses down into place. Really simplistic. This comes in clear and tinted. We use a 50% tint that I'll explain a little bit later in the video and why that's unique to our product line. Now let's take a look at this upper. I'm going to shut this door real quick. And so what we have is we have the upper that it also is the 1/2-inch dual-sided scratch resistant polycarbonate, but we have 6 different retainers that hold this polycarbonate and compress that polycarbonate to the framework of this unit. And so we have our top retainer up here, and then we have some side retainers over here, another one over here, another one down here, and then also our bottom piece. So when we're looking at this upper piece of polycarbonate, you're going to use the same trim that you've used from the OEM factory machine. Your windshield wiper, every bit of this is utilized from your previous door, so you don't have to buy additional components. Let's take some time and wrap up the day. All right guys, let's sum up the day here real quick. When we're talking about replacing glass with polycarbonate, there's a couple of things that I'd like you to consider. Number one, the polycarbonate's just going to be better for this application. It's more durable. You're not going to have to worry about unscheduled downtime. There are other polycarbonate providers out there. We feel that with our mechanical fastening system, the amount of downtime that you experience is greatly reduced with our system. This is something that anybody can put on, whether it's in the shop or at home or on a work site, whatever it is. This can be done out there. There's no need to call in a glass guy, wait 2 or 3 days, spend several $100s for them to glue it, and then you got to wait 24 hours for the polyurethane adhesive to set up and all that mess. This is a mechanical fastening system. It doesn't require any of that. That's kind of the beauty of this design. When we talk about unscheduled downtime, I know that you guys who are the operators of this equipment are making money with this equipment. This is not recreational. This is how you make your living, and that unscheduled downtime can be a killer, but we want you to always be safe. So if you're using apparatuses on this that would be unsafe without protection here, we want to get you back up and rolling in a safe way as soon as possible. That's why I believe that the Perry Company polycarbonate solution for this unit is the best way to go. Now when we talk about the tinted material, you can take clear polycarbonate and put automotive tint on it, but what's going to happen is that's going to bubble up because this polycarbonate is going to naturally outgas over time. And so what we've done and dedicated to is inventory with tinted material where when they extrude that polycarbonate, that tint is being extruded into the polycarbonate at that time. You don't have to worry about bubbling or anything like that. So if you guys are interested in talking more about this product, give us a call here at the Perry Company. If you'd like to order this product, go to your local John Deere dealer and ask them about the Perry Company polycarbonate solution for this unit. Thanks guys.